So, it's 2 days before my birthday and dumating na yung package ni Poify. Well, 2 packages. So, meron pang parating. So, we're going to go down the lobby and get the other items. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do an unboxing video. Today, or this month, is my birthday month, and my boyfriend sent me gifts through online shopping because we cannot spend my birthday together this year because of the pandemic. So he sent me surprises, supposedly surprises. Unfortunately, the packaging just showed me what he sent me. But I did give him a wish list, so I did ask him for an air fryer and lipstick. So let's see the other gifts. I was already spoiled because of the packaging, because I was checking the details and there was the description, so I kind of know what they are already, but I don't know what they look like. So today we're going to do that. So the first one, let's start with the smaller ones for surprises. This one, I thought it was a shoe box actually when it first arrived. So let's open this one. First one is the silicone utensil set with plastic holder kitchen set. So I think because I asked for him an air fryer, so he sent me some kitchen stuff. So I think the other one is also kitchen stuff. Let's see about this item. Yes, spatula. Okay, everything good for the kitchen. Yes. And some pounds. And something like that. So, yep. So that's the first one. Next one is this one. Oops. It's not a sponsored video. But first, coffee lipstick. So this is the Happy Skin Lip Mallow Mousse Coffee Edition with tumbler set. Yay! I like the color tumbler. It looks like blush pink. No, but pink. Really nice makeup that cares for your skin. Happy Skin. See? Ooh, feels like Christmas. Okay, it's the Mallow Plush Make Eat Mousse Coffee Edition. Oops. SPF 15. Sweet and thyme. See. Smells like coffee. Smells like XO. XO, so... Yep. So that's the swatch. Sorry. Bobo mag-swatch. So, ito yung kulay niya. Smells like coffee again. Ooh, fresh brew is that one. Cafe au lait. Cafe au lait. Au lait. Au lait. Au lait. I think it's French. So it's a sign that small pink. So this one is cafe au lait. I think it's going to smell like coffee, I guess. Shit. It really smells like coffee. So this one is cafe au lait. This one. This one's reddish, I think. Yeah. Base sa box niya. Ooh, coffee. Kaya pala. So, it has coffee. Arabica. Coffee Arabica seed. Also, that's why it smells like coffee. Ah! Here it is. So, it's kinda red. Moving plum. Still smells like coffee. Yep. It's red-ish. This one. Sorry. Bobo mag-swatch. Plus the fact na ayaw nagsasayang ng lipstick. Actually, hindi ko alam bakit ako nag-request ng lipstick or sa wishlist ko. Naglagay ng... Because everyone's wearing masks right now, right? So parang, what's the point? Okay, so next one is iced coffee. I love yung iced coffee. Not sponsored, but I really like ordering McDo iced coffee if I order McDo breakfast. That's iced coffee. Brown. Pumpkin spice because it's already autumn or fall. So, States. And uso na naman ang pumpkin spice sa Starbucks. So this is pumpkin spice. Parang magkasing kulay sila. I think iced coffee. It's like brown. Another. I love yung smell. Parang XO candy. I love yung XO candy coffee. So, yep. Pumpkin spice. But parang pareho siya ng third one ng coffee uli na ano. Or baka sa dami ng lagay ko. So these are the color swatches. In fairness, yeah. Wow. Ayan, natanggal na siya. Kaya ko ano, pero yung kanina, it will take you a lot of force to remove it. Ayan, ano siya. Okay, kailangan ko to. And I cook potatoes here. Nasabay pala ako ng ate ko. So, yep, hindi ko mahanap yung peeler nila. So, anyway, this one's a filler. And I think it's a set of knives. Is it weird that I am unboxing knives? Yeah. Ganda. I like the black. Ano yung description nito? It's ceramic knife set. It's a ceramic knife. Ceramic knife. Nakikita ko lang yun sa MasterChef Kids. Dati, mga ceramic ones. Nice. It's so beautiful. At least it's ceramic. Because I am actually right now kinda allergic to metal. sorry, hindi to sponsored. Pero, teka naman. Teka naman. Ah, bigat niya. Mami. Mami, ang bigat niya. Mami. Oops. Yeah. Shit. Oh, yung first appliance na binili ko para sa sarili ko ay electric fan. Second ay nauna yung induction cooker. And pangatlo is, I think, yung water. Tapos ulit ako ng isa pang parang cooler, air cooler. So, ito ang electric fan pa rin. It's a beaut. So, ganda. Bigat din. Can I bake using this one? You think I can bake using this one? Oh. Stew, yogurt, and bake. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, ito yung start ng lockdown. Gusto ko na bumili ng ganito. Kasi I've been doing a lot of frying. And I think it's less, it's healthy, but it's more healthy to use less oil. So, gusto yung malagay dito. Sponsored. So, naman ang brand nito. Baka naman. So the receipt is here. In fairness, if I check the date of order, the delivery came within the week. Oh, within a week. Ah, it's black! It's black. Lord. Oops. I think this one is the one na tawag dito. Pwede kang magluto ata ng whole roast chicken. I think ito yung sumasalo and like oily stuff. That's how I know. That's how I think it works. Sa baba, sumasalo. Anyway, so that's it for my unboxing video of my birthday gifts from my boyfriend. At maglilinis, mag-aayos muna ako dito. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!